Hey guys, it's Ivan. It's time for Dollar General's 5 off 25 Saturday deal. For $131, guys, I did an in-store deal because I had not did anything. But we're going to go to the hot commodity starting right now. And it is going to be on the Swiffer. You're going to pick up 2 of the Swiffers. You can pick up any 2 you want. But I'm going to show you a cheap deal. And then I'm going to show you a deal that I am probably going to do because I do not need any dusters at this point. Okay, so what we're going to do is, first I want you to scan your 5 off of 25 because you need that no matter what. And a lot of people tell me they deal didn't work and then they realize they didn't scan the 5 off of 25. So let's go and look. Now you're going to come right down here to the bottom. You see the Swiffer kits way back. It is the 5-count Swiffer kits with the 1 handle, and it says gain on it. It is $6. But when we scroll down, we see that that $10 coupon will work on those Swiffers for 2. So you need to pick up 2 of those Swiffers, all right? And they'll take $10 off. So that's $12. You'll pay $2 or $1 each for each one. So pick up 2 of those, guys, right there. Then we're going to mosey on around the corner because after that, I'm going to come back and show you another deal. So it's going to be quick. Stick with me, all right? Now, let's go to the next department and pick up our next deal. All right? Guys, I kind of was scrolling through the store because I saw some clearances. We're going to come right down here to the bottom of the Palmolive. And you see those 2 Palmolives back there? We're going to scan it. The Palmolive is $3.50. And it is a BOGO manufacturer. Buy one, get one free. All right. And you want to concentrate on that deal. All right. Now, so you should have 2 Palmolives and you should have 2 Swiffers in your cart. Let's scroll on down. And we'll get around here to the air care. Now, you're going to pick up 1 Febreze air care. And it's at $3.50. And you have a $2 manufacturer coupon. Now, these coupons, guys, are not expiring. So if you don't want to do these deals this week, you could do them next week. Although it is not guaranteed that that Swiffer would attach to those $6 dusters. Now, you also want to pick up a Febreze plug. They're originally $4. They're on sale for $3.50. And they gave us a high value coupon for $3.50. Hey guys, stay to the end if you want to see the receipt also. Because I did attach the receipt. Pick up one of those, guys. So in your cart, you should have 2 Palmolives, 2 Swiffers, 1 Febreze air care, and then you should have a warmer in there. So you should have 6 products for this deal, all right? Now, I believe that's a clearance on the free Febreze. We're going to go back and revisit that. So let's start doing our math, okay? Always do your math, guys. I'm not a mathematician. So we're going to do $3.50 for the 2 Palmolives. And then you're going to do $6 for each of the Swiffers. Okay, and then you're going to do another $3.50 for the air care. And then you should be putting in 1 more $3.50 for the warmer. Take you to $26, guys. I had to do a voiceover. That's why it's lagging. So take your 5 off of 25. $2 off the air care. $3.50 off 1 warmer. $3.50 off the Palmolive. $10 off of the Swiffer. That should leave you at $2. Now, that deal worked. Divided by 6, you're going to pay 33 cents each, guys. First of all, if I could pay 33 cents for any item over here, my greatest comeback would be that Palmolive and that Febreze air care, okay? Now, we're going to do a deal that I think I might do, okay? So, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to come back to the air care. I am so sorry I'm swinging the camera, guys. Just be patient with me. I'm going to pick up 2 of the Gang Swiffers, the 24 count at $10 each. Now, it was a $2 coupon. I don't even think that one is available anymore. So that's $10. Buy one, get one free, or save $10 off 2. It's just like a buy one, get one free, but you know, hey, for the people in the back, that's what it is, okay? Now, we're going to add that up. Let's do that deal. 10 plus 10. Plus, I'm going to still apply all of the products I did except the 2 Swiffer dusters. I'm going to still use the exact same product. Now, you do not have to, guys, because this took it up really high to $34. You want to start taking your deals off right now. Start taking your prices off of everything. I did not remove anything, only the 2 Swiffers, okay? But you can adjust as you need it. $10 even. So $10 is 1 Swiffer, but the whole deal is $10 today, which would leave us at $1.66. Now, if I could pay $1.66 for that, I'm awesome. But I am also going to use my DG Cash. And let's see what we get. $4. You're going to divide it by 6. I'm going to pay 66 cents for. So, yes, that's an awesome deal, guys. Now, Illinois has been prorating the freebies. So, I'm going to see if that's what they did on my deal, okay? Now, clearances, look at that. That Ajax 10% off. You guys know the core clearance is 10% off. Plus, it's going to be another 50%, right? And there's a Palmolive. That Palmolive did not attach to that coupon either, guys. Then you have the Vibrant. 10% off. Get ready. This clearance should be coming up soon. I believe on Friday, if not, because they don't usually put their signs up and then wait 2 and 3 weeks to put the clearance out. Not at this store. Now, it might vary at other stores, guys, but just pay attention to what's on clearance. And remember, we have coupons that's coming with some of these deals. See that? $9. So that's the 10% off. And we have a $4 coupon. And guys, start claiming those coupons now, because what will happen is they will remove the coupon if it's on clearance, and it'll make it free or something to adjust down. So just be cautious of that deal. But this is the deal. It's a Lysol deal coming up. And they gave us a $2 coupon. So make sure you tap those coupons and save them, because I'm telling you, they'll take that away instantly. $9.68. Now, this is where it is. See that Febreze Air Care? It's called Berry Bromble. They originally $3.15, $2 off coupon. That attaches. So I'm going to actually switch that out. Don't be afraid to switch the stuff out. Here's some more clearances right here, guys. Look at that. Sour Patch Candies. I'll show a couple of the UPCs in a minute, guys. But like, I could literally walk through the entire store and show you guys clearances. That's how much clearance it is in the store. So they got a big clearance coming up. I'll probably have to make it here super early, because I want to grab this candy for the kids. They start selling candy kebabs and the Rolos. Look at that. Oh, they have some nice stuff. A lot of pet food is on sale at this point. So just pay attention to the pet food. I'm giving you a little visual, guys. Okay, I actually like visual videos a lot. And that's Iams. See the Iams dog food. So we got some nice deals going on up in here. All the way down, more dog food. So be ready that the dog food is on sale. And here I found them Poise. Those are $1. So they should be like 50 cents on that, whatever day this deal come out. Here is the deal right here, the receipt. So they prorated everything, guys. I knew it. Look at that. Palmolive, $2.98 instead of 50 cents. The Febreze plug-in, $3.29 instead of $3.50. So they did. They prorated everything, guys. Before that, it was $10.29. They added on $2 and something in taxes. So out of pocket, it was $10.29 before taxes. Okay, before taxes. And $1.21. And I did that wrong, guys, because it was $10.29. I should have took off $4. Sorry, guys. Bye.